Hey guys, it's Jessica from jessica.couture.com, and today I'm playing on cardstock again. I am using Black Cardstock from Close to My Heart. It is a very good cardstock for using your transfers with because there is a lot of low fiber paper fibers that come off that. So today's project, I'm using the Awesome Candy Hearts, and as you can see, I already started using it. I used Bubblegum with it, and right now I'm just hitting it with some heat so I can continue on with my other hearts. As you can see, I numbered the back of the package. You can do anything you want, the carrier sheet rather. You can do anything on the back to notate that it is the back of the sheet. The reason you do that is because it is reusable over and over again. So after you clean them, you want to put them back on the carrier sheet. So right there you can see I use Coastal Blue to create the heart. I am going to also add some of the XOXO words on the card base, which you will see in just a second. I wanted to go ahead and get everything all closed up first, but I'm using Caribbean, and I'm just putting XOXO kind of randomly all over the place. If you are quick with your chalk paste and you pull it across and get a really clean transfer of your chalk paste, you can go ahead and pick up that transfer and reuse it again before you put it into your water bath. You will definitely start to notate or start to notice when it's time to get it into the water, because it definitely isn't as clear when you pull it up, and you'll notice on this one that it definitely wasn't as clear as the other ones. I usually get about 2 to 3 times before I can I have to wash it. So right here I am layering the sentiment I love you with some white chalk paste. As you can see, I was at the bottom of my chalk paste, and I am just putting it all over, and I was just careful to not put it on super hardcore because I didn't want it to peel off of the white or peel off any of the bubble gum. So you'll see how cute the I love you looks, and now I'm doing Be Mine over the Coastal with white chalk paste. So cute. Wait till you see how these turned out. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. See, oh, Be Mine and I love you. Now, what I am doing here real quick is cleaning the XOXO because I want to go ahead and reuse it and continue making my random pattern. Kind of making it like a background pattern paper, if you will, with the chalk piece. So I am just cleaning it off, and that way I can go through and keep using the Caribbean to do XOXO. And I think I only do it maybe 2 or 3 more times. So it did turn out super stinking cute. I'm really, really pleased with how this turned out. And what I'm using this for is a little like kind of cover photo, if you will, for a little gift box to put a gift card in. I have a little clear acetate box, and I thought this would look super cute over it. So now I'm going to do is close up my Caribbean. We want to make sure we always close up our chalk paste, and then I'm going to hit it with some heat. And what I did notice is when I hit the cardstock with heat, I forgot that it can warp the paper. So you're going to see I flip it over, and all I do is I hit it with the opposite side with some heat, so that way it stops warping. And there's the little clear box I was talking about. I just slid it in there. I cut it the size of the box, and then I grabbed some tissue paper and I wrapped up a gift card so that way I could stick it inside there. But I thought the little Couture hearts were the perfect piece to put on this. It was super cute. Be sure to check out my website if you're looking for some transfers. And I'm glad you watched. Thanks so much. Bye.